When I was in school, I injured my foot, and for a year I limped around. I was often on crutches, in and out of a boot, and the thing that I remember about this time was that I felt alone.
2016, a day I'll never forget. Playing basketball, and my team was winning. Got the ball at the top of the three-point line, and I just literally fell. I felt the back of my left leg, and there was nothing but flesh there. The entire Achilles tendon was gone.
While teaching yoga, the ball of my foot under my big toe just started hurting me, started swelling up. It did get worse over time. Walking daily was affected as well. I wasn't able to do a lot of the yoga poses. It was very limiting.
I was devastated, to say the least. I couldn't play basketball, I couldn't do anything, but I went and had surgery, 7 days later. That's when I met Dr. Hamid and his staff, performed some of the best surgery I could have ever asked for.
He was very helpful with explaining what was going on with my foot and the steps that we could do to heal it.
A lot of my patients, they are very motivated to get back into being physically active, and this is something that I want to help them with.
My rehab process was a lot shorter, anywhere from 9 to 12 months. I did mine in about 6 to 7.
Dr. Hamid was very personable, very relatable. He took the time to listen and understand what I was saying, and then he developed a treatment plan tailored specifically to me to help my foot heal properly.
Anything that can be done using some ingenuity and creativity through a slightly smaller incision that will allow a faster recovery and is maybe a little more cosmetically appealing, I always attempt to do that first. As part of my job, I am a team physician for the Chicago Bulls and for the Chicago White Sox. I take care of high-level athletes, both on our team as well as visiting teams that come to the town.
He called me and checked up on me a few times. I don't know too many surgical doctors, ortho surgeons that would do that. I felt, personally, I felt special.
It's huge. It's everything when that's your job, when it affects how you're walking, when it affects something that is such a huge part of your life.
Being a doctor is a privilege, and as part of this privilege, I get to see people at the lowest of their lows, and I get to take this journey with them to the highest of their highs.
I'm back to 100%, doing all the yoga poses I was doing before, teaching my students, back in the game.
To me, that's the most important thing, is that my patients know that they're not going to go through this process alone, and that we will get through it together.